and see how we alone. Look how hard we try, nobody here we cry. Them not care for you for we alone. Been through the storm when the rain is on. We saw no one. We alone, yeah. We alone, we alone.
If you take your grinder outside and just go side, so I mean cutting them, maybe like dry, then you supposed to catch where they fall down like you're smooth. This is what I say? Oh, good. Man, but eat this in my pants, I drop off and you know, I said they pick never fill them pants. I'm not your pants, they don't.
Look like you're low right here. Coming together, boys.
Balance for it, balance for it. Who don't then you come up with some dance for it.
That's what mommy would do. So we're about to tackle something that we've been trying to run from. But yeah. So we about to organize all underneath the stairs. See, I told you everything is just shoved.
Somebody can't sit for me.
You guys.
Somebody can't sit for me.
Look at this room.
You know what? Nobody.
So we're about to turn this whole room into a movie theater style type thing. But look at all this stuff we have to go through. It's all Shauna's rubbish.
Nisha, let me bring something for you. I don't know that's this, Nala. I don't know that's this, Nala.
So much stuff.
Blood clot. We said, yeah.
You're actually so dumb. Anyways, guys, we're about to tackle this room. I don't even want to set the camera up. When we're almost done, I will.
Let the blood clot camera. Let's see, Nisha.
Progress. Taking the before and taking the after. Please just take in the before. Progress. So we organized. This box just fell over, but I promise you under there is well organized. And then we just gotta bring this upstairs to organize the sheets. But
and we got one chair down.
One chair down and 3 more to go. These are not lights. And then this is Lyra's little movie theater chairs. But you guys see how the walls are like, what is this?
Like
a peach cream. We're gonna paint it all white so that.
No, we're gonna paint it black. So
sorry. So we're trying to make down here of like a movie theater style. So we're gonna get the LED lights. You guys are gonna see the whole process. And then we're gonna build. We want to build a platform to get the other 2 chairs because there's gonna be 2 in the front, 2 in the back. We want to get a platform built so that the other back chairs can be like raised up higher. But everything's gonna take time. But yeah, we're gonna paint the room black, get some LED lights, and then I have my projector screen that we're gonna put here on this wall. We were gonna use this wall, but because the door is right here, it's kind of awkward. Because the chair is, well, I guess it can, but
You don't want to be watching a horror movie and someone comes up behind you.
it's scary, especially how our family is. They would do that. But we'll see anyways. But right now we're gonna stick with just this wall, and
Change it.
yeah, you can always change it, exactly. And I have a big white roll of paper that we can use here, or we can leave even this wall white and the rest black. We can do that too. But it's coming along. You guys are gonna see the progress. Yeah, we're just mopping in. We're gonna bring the other chairs. But how we can get it? So guys, we're stuck right now.
It's different because this one's a little wider because it has both handles on it.
You're getting extra space with this.
The other one doesn't have this side.
Oh, something lean.
Mm-hmm.
It just fits.
No, we just pushed it back and it went.
But this but it's like going down, it's just gonna give us trouble here.
Oh, I get him.
Not for him.
What?
Here.
Yeah, I'm coming this up.
No, okay.
Have one?
Even this young, PatPat Clothing, no?
Oh, but watch the thing, the brown stuff.
Behind
Okay, you can lift it higher?
Yep.
Lift it up.
Watch the, it's gonna hit it. It's gonna hit those stuff.
Yeah, come on back.
No.
Or just.
Where's the Nisha Jai power foot?
Oh, sorry. Sorry.
You got it?
No.
It's heavy, yes.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, oh no, Dada.
Yeah.
What? Oh.
No worry.
Sorry.
Oh my god, is he okay? You dropped it on his foot.
Did I drop your foot?
Come on,
Is that going down or up?
Down.
So you know, so you turn it the other way, man.
We tried to, it wouldn't fit through the door.
That over this off there, over this side.
Okay, let's go back up.
Come, Nyla, come. Are you okay?
You can probably flip it down on the
Keisha, Nyla's like, Dada, are you okay? Watch the box.
Yeah.
Oh, Shauna, yeah, you're gonna have to flip it. Yeah, Mom, I'm okay. How can I help? Okay, so.
Let me close this.
I'm coming.
Oh. There you go.
Yes. Yes. If only you seen how we struggled the first time too. Woohoo! We have to wipe these down. That's what that furniture thing is for.
So I'm saying this as well.
Movie theater.
Oh, so we can't take my game out this one.
Yeah, and you play it in here. Oh yeah. Oh, we were gonna put the TV though. I mean, I guess you can put the TV on one of these walls, cause we were gonna use there just for the projector. So put your TV here. So Chef Mike's in the kitchen cooking up some chicken. I'm joking, some chicken bok.
Chicken chassis.
Chicken chassis. Yeah.
No, babe, come.
And we got some provision.
Banana dumpling and yum.
No potato. And tomorrow's Valentine's Day, but we gonna fry up some fish, some red snapper. These are so tiny though. That's the flex, the weekend flex. So we're onto chair number 4. On to chair number 4 because Shauna is well determined after I said tomorrow.
Why? I don't want my shoulder hurt me tomorrow too. This will be lifted up.
Okay, kick out this, no?
No,
That was when we got it down.
Yeah, oh. Fuck me, said.
Hold on.
We have to go over this, right?
You can't come now.
Look at me just here with the camera.
Hold on, I don't even know what to hold.
Just
Got it?
just make it come. See that? I want to talk about
What? See what, Z? What did you do? Because me and Shauna carried down 3.
this tree.
You're not
You see what
blood
I'm
clot.
Which tree? Which tree you carry on?
Me carry down 4.
Which tree?
4 me carry down.
Don't carry on tree.
Actually, you're not
Yeah?
I'm not gonna
Yeah.
carry on a tree.
No.
I carry 4.
Yeah?
A tree there fit on.
Hold on. Yeah, go on it. Go sit.
So
Go
after
sit.
going in, I just
Yes, sit on the big one.
A little bit so they can recline.
try to put three of them in a.
This is the aisle.
This is the aisle. Go down the stairs, Shauna.
Are you 1B or A? Are you A or B?
1A. Are you 2?
I'm 2A.
But feel Gary Clyde.
It could. It could.
Fat Diddy. You want to kick back up? What do you mean?
Hold on, Mama.
Lira can kick back to.
Go, Mama.
Hey.
We're low-key gonna have to probably, you know what we could get, Shauna? Some bean bags.
Yeah.
Get some bean bags so like if all of us are down here.
Push forward, Ziggy.
Ow!
Where's the projector? Oh, it's in Keisha's
I
room.
don't know, but we need to order some.
And guess what? You could, huh?
We need to order some paint.
Paint?
Black paint, yeah.
Wasn't this like this too close? Like?
No.
No, but that's-
Bro, have you not been to movie theaters up here? Even in Jamaica, they have like the first row.
You guys need to buy Nella one of these.
Think I should have.
Why don't you buy her one?
Yeah, the bag.
And then what are you gonna do with the one extra one, Ziggy?
It's gonna look out of place.
No.
You guys need to build a rise, like I wanted to step up.
Yeah, or you can put one here and one like diagonal. I said 2 and put the kids one in the middle.
Step up I just once. Yeah.
You know, you'll do like diagonal like this so the chairs can come. I guess your decks can be kind of like. So Walmart has like the beanbag chairs.
Don't you want carpet though?
It is cold, yeah.
Wear your shoes. No move your leg.
And jacket.
No more.
Popcorn ticket, please. Ticket. Yeah, yeah.
So don't take up on the things, man. Go put pants up in the
I
closet.
don't know, you know.
You know how long it's
Yo,
supposed
you
to
know
make
this
that?
nighttime one the like.
You know how long it's supposed to make that? It's
Memories.
You know how long it's
So where you have
supposed to
picture
last?
for?
You see your big head? Says the one who didn't want to throw away the Clarks today.
I know.
Why didn't you want to get rid of the Clarks today?
Which clocks?
I was showing you a
That
Clark.
wasn't mine.
Yeah, but I found yours. Yours don't have
Then
no
show
lace in
me.
it. It's under the stairs. I'm not going
Yeah.
under.
Can I get them to say, you know see your clocks here? No lace, daddy.
Okay, those ones need to go
Just
in the
in the year about the day.
I don't know if we wear clocks no man, you just know it's on the tie. Clocks lace not even tie much less. You ever notice that? People not tie.
Yes, that's right.
Lace, you know, we think rock, you know?
Look, whoever's on time out is.
That's gonna fall, Ziggy.
Wait, and then we just say shot about checking.
Shauna just can't let go stuff.
Oh yes, that's a chunky shot.
So guys, welcome
What's
to
this for?
Don Nails Studio. Oh, Valentine nails. That's how you feel, Keish? So Keisha set up her little nail salon down here.
It's just a.
What colors are you doing?
Sometimes I'm like, Keisha must get.
Ooh. Here comes Daddy to complain about the smell. Chef Mike, your chicken bot nice.
What to go?
Yeah, man.
Many plan to buy one chair, you know, I say no make sense to buy one chair with that.
Daddy needs to do his nails.
Where buy a chair for?
Huh?
They go do your nails?
Game chair.
Game chair? Yep. You mean to tell me say you want more game chair than when they get the chair there over there so?
Huh? No, sir. Then my chair have
Look at
movie
these two.
chair.
Look at these two.
Like,
What are you guys doing? What are you guys doing? Huh?
this one.
So the ceiling, I don't remember if I showed you guys last time. The ceiling's back up now. No, don't turn it on. Yeah. So I guess we're kicking off this Saturday night by watching a movie. While eat some nice chicken back. Ziggy, how much chicken back you eat already? How much chicken back you eat already? Yo, I had my dinner already. I literally am just here eating chicken back alone to how sweet it is. But I'm gonna come check back in with you guys before we go to bed. I think we're watching a movie right now.
So you watch 3 shows. And people them staying at a tour. A joke, man.
I can't put this charger, I'm so nice.
Anyway, so I don't know, say today Valentine's or Valentine's, whatever. Our Jamaican have for them one name for everything. Valentine's, Valentine. Right now. Anyway, so we're there and watch 2 shows. All our vibes, Easy Buck and Nisha and Keisha just so left them out there talk still. But me just the time now, right now after 1 o'clock. It's 1 o'clock, holy. But the thing is, earlier today we just have a normal day. Like typical. Why? You're not afraid I'm man that's my youth? Eh?
You know those sim characters when you put them to walk and they're just like
you don't see it? Yeah. Okay. Hey, so midnight. I'm not showing some of them little penny. So right now 1 o'clock. And out the door you literally can go walk like about 5 o'clock in the morning. Like gotcha. Snow make a place bright. It look like some houses. Ouch. Oh man. This was Ooh. But like how the snow fall, you know, it time not cool. Like they could have come out and say, I want a shirt. Just like your shirt. Just to tell it, because you know, cool like, you know. But you see when the snow stop fall, holy. And then the time. But yo, but that big man never is like me don't want the man to come and say, oh yeah. At least I can say, yo, you know, so me know what that feel like or what that look like, or you know what I mean? Just the experience fee. Know what it's like. Cause we grew up in Jamaica, youth always say about foreign. Snow. Or foreign, yeah, the snow. Or foreign nice and foreign this and everybody. Remember when me a boy, people used to tell me say, oh, like you can use $1 and buy anything a foreign. like $1 could have buy anything. I mean, I sit down and I say, how the hell $1 can buy anything at all? That means everything have $1. But I don't know. But yeah, like that always said though. Like, yes, but that's how we are in off tonight. Happy Valentine's to everybody out there. Big up on yourself. And this a day, them say it's a love day, so you don't know anything say. I just straight love for the poor out in the world, you know. Based on what I go on, me always I say, you see me? So, big up on yourself. If you like Valentine's out there, big up on yourself, seeing me. I talk too much, I come over the camera. Good night. Bang.
You know, see how we alone. Look how hard we try. Nobody here we cry. Them not care for you. You're alone.